Hello and welcome. My name is Hector Beloy, and I'm the founder of Beloy iTech. In this video, I will share with you my journey in the world of technology, including the projects I've worked on, the challenges I've faced, and the skills I've gained over the years. My story begins with a passion for computers that started at a very young age. From building computers to diving into networking and cybersecurity, each step in my journey has helped me shape my skills as a developer, system administrator, and cybersecurity enthusiast. Let me take you back to the beginning and walk you through my journey from humble beginnings to where I am today. Early days, building computers and learning the basics. My journey into technology started with computer hardware. As a child, I was always fascinated by how things worked, especially computers. I remember taking apart old machines just to understand the components inside. I didn't have much money, but I started collecting old, discarded parts, and bit by bit, I learned how to assemble and build fully functioning computers. These early experiences with hardware gave me a deep appreciation for the inner workings of machines. It wasn't long before I was able to build computers from scratch, which sparked my interest in software development. At that time, I also started exploring different operating systems and became particularly fascinated by Linux. I found that Linux gave me the freedom to customize and understand the system at a deeper level, which pushed me further into the world of technology. Venturing into networking. As I became more proficient in building computers, I naturally moved into the world of networking. I decided to create my first local area network, LAN, and I was successful with ease. This experience was eye-opening. It allowed me to understand how computers communicate with each other and how data is transferred through networks. Setting up the LAN was no small feat, but it was incredibly rewarding. It sparked my interest in how to make networks more secure and efficient. This is when I realized that there was much more to technology than just building machines. Networking opened up new possibilities and showed me how vital security is when it comes to data transfer. Cybersecurity, my passion for ethical hacking. As I continued to learn about networking and computer systems, my interest began to shift towards cybersecurity. I became fascinated by how vulnerable systems could be, and I wanted to understand how hackers operate and how systems can be better protected. This is when I decided to take my passion for technology to the next level and learn about ethical hacking. I started experimenting with different tools, setting up penetration testing labs, and using tools like Kali Linux to simulate attacks and vulnerabilities. My focus was on learning how to secure systems, identify weaknesses, and understand the tactics used by malicious hackers. I created several virtual labs that allowed me to test different scenarios, from network attacks to web application vulnerabilities. These labs helped me understand penetration testing methodologies and ethical hacking practices, making me more fluent in Kali Linux, one of the most popular tools used by cybersecurity professionals. In time, I earned certifications in cybersecurity and ethical hacking, and I continued to expand my knowledge. I built personal labs for penetration testing and ethical hacking, which I used to practice different hacking techniques in a controlled environment. This hands-on approach has been one of the most valuable learning experiences in my journey. I'm now proficient in Linux, with a particular focus on Kali Linux, the go-to operating system for penetration testing. I've used Kali Linux extensively for tasks like vulnerability scanning, wireless network testing, and web application testing. It has become my primary tool in my cybersecurity toolkit, and I am always exploring new ways to use it to improve security systems. Web development, bringing ideas to life. After learning the ins and outs of hardware, networking, and cybersecurity, I naturally shifted towards web development. I began by developing websites for friends and family, and over time, I gained more experience and took on more complex projects. This journey led me to build my social media platform, Gaza Chat. Gaza Chat is a project I'm incredibly proud of, as it allowed me to combine everything I've learned: database management, PHP backend development, and front-end design. I use technologies such as PHP, MySQL, and JavaScript to create a platform where users can connect, share content, and interact with one another. I also developed a PHP admin panel to manage the platform's data and ensure smooth operation. MySQL was used to store user information, and I implemented secure password hashing and content reporting features to ensure that Gaza Chat remains safe and reliable for users. Android development, expanding the reach. As mobile phones became increasingly popular, I decided to extend Gaza Chat into the mobile space by creating an Android app. I used Android Studio to build a WebView-based application that integrates with the web app. The app is optimized for Android 12 and above and provides users with the ability to access Gaza Chat from their mobile devices. The transition from web to mobile app was a learning experience, especially since this was my first time working with Android Studio. I learned how to manage app permissions, optimize user interfaces for smaller screens, and handle media uploads, all critical components for providing a smooth mobile experience. Admin panel and MySQL database management. In addition to Gaza Chat, I built a PHP-based admin panel that gives me control over user activity, data management, and content moderation. The admin panel allows me to monitor and manage reported content, view user statistics, and keep the platform running smoothly. My experience with MySQL has been crucial for ensuring the platform's stability and performance. I fine-tune MySQL queries to ensure that the database can handle large volumes of data while maintaining fast response times. Challenges and learning along the way. Throughout my journey, I've faced many challenges, especially in areas like network security, database optimization, and mobile app development. However, each challenge has provided an opportunity for growth. Working through the technical aspects of web and mobile development, along with learning how to secure systems against attacks, has made me a more versatile and knowledgeable developer. I've also learned how to set up and configure servers, manage hosting environments, and troubleshoot any issues that arise in real-time applications. These experiences have been invaluable and continue to shape how I approach new projects. Looking to the future, as I continue to work on Gaza Chat and other projects, I have big plans for the future. I'm looking into adding real-time messaging features and AI-driven content moderation to Gaza Chat, and I'm always exploring ways to make the platform more secure and user-friendly. I'm also eager to expand my knowledge of cloud computing, machine learning, and blockchain technology. These are exciting fields that have potential to shape the future of technology, and I am keen to explore how I can integrate these technologies into my future projects. Conclusion. That brings us to the end of this presentation. I hope this has given you a deeper understanding of my background, my projects, and the skills I've developed over the years. My journey has been one of continuous learning, and I am grateful for the opportunities I've had to grow as a developer and a cybersecurity enthusiast. If you'd like to get in touch, feel free to reach out via email at info@valoitech.co.za. You can also visit my website at www.valoitech.co.za or contact me directly at +27 79 234 3701. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I look forward to what the future holds and am excited to continue creating innovative solutions and learning new technologies. For now, please enjoy the music and watch the rest of the video, and thank you.